Alright guys, just drove 2 hours to get some ISR performance test pipes. 130 bucks, brand new. They weren't open, I just opened this one. Brand new, got them on Facebook, man. Got all the stuff I need. Gonna be putting these in tomorrow, because it's like 10:40 tonight. I'll be putting these in tomorrow. Try to get the best footage I can of like how to do it. So yeah guys, excited man. Got some good quality test pipes. They are resonated, but still good quality. Hey guys, this is the next day. Hopefully this is gonna be the last time we hear this quiet factory cold start. It's time to put those bad boys in. Finally, this thing will not sound like dead quiet. It's so quiet. Just listen. It's so quiet. Time for them to come out. Your O2 sensors are going to be a size, you can get them off of a 3?
Yeah.
A 23 wrench? 23 size movement.
Only the best snap-on tools.
You good?
Knuckle jam.
That's one O2 sensor.
They're expensive.
And it's coming off. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hot, hot, hot.
So, we actually decided to move the steering shaft because it was getting in the way of the socket. Probably won't have this issue. Don't know why ours was so difficult. But yeah. Finally finished.
After like 6 hours.
Yep. Because I wasn't helping. Because I was too tired yesterday. Today I feel better.
I can already hear it slightly deeper.
A little bit. I like the better open headers.
I know once I rev it, it'll be better. Hold this.
Oh, don't give it a pussy rev, come on. Got some pops.
Sounds like a Z, it's just still muffled. It's that muffler.
Now you just gotta take the muffler off.
Alright, now let's see if it's all on last time perform it. It resonated, but it still sounded good. Finally got them on. Probably like the hardest mod to do to the Z. Done and over with.
And she's smoking a lot now.
Yeah, from the TV blast or whatever. I apologize that we didn't film as much. This cat refused to come off, so I was kind of on time crunch because I had to leave my car here overnight. So anyway,